Welcome to Renal Traveller. In this video, we'll show you how to book your dialysis treatment while traveling. Our goal is to make your journey simple, secure, and stress-free. Let's get started. First, sign up or log in to your Renal Traveller account. If you are a new user, click Sign Up and create your account. If you already have an account, simply enter your login details. Next, select the country you are traveling to. This will display the dialysis clinics available at your destination. Now, enter your check-in and check-out dates. Once you've selected your travel dates, click Search. You will now see a list of available clinics. Take a moment to review the options and select your preferred clinic. After choosing your clinic, select your desired treatment date, then click Book Now. A book-in window will appear. First, choose your treatment type. Then, carefully fill in your personal details. Next, upload the required documents: medical report, serology report, proof of identity, insurance document. Please ensure all documents are clear and up to date. Once everything is complete, click Submit Booking. Your request will be sent directly to the clinic. After submitting, the selected clinic will contact you for further confirmation and any additional information. Thank you for choosing Renal Traveller. We are here to support your treatment needs wherever you travel. We wish you safe travels and a smooth experience.